Hello students, welcome back. This is the video of class 8 science and this is the video of exercise of chapter 1 crop production and management, and today we will solve some multiple choice question, and this is the first one. Take the correct option. The first question is, which of the following crops can be transplanted? So the options are rice, tomato, chili, and all of these. So as you know, some plants are there, they do not grow directly in the field. They first of all are grown into the nursery, then the baby plants are transferred into the field. So the rice, tomato, and chili, these all plants can be transplanted. These all plants grow in the nursery first, then their baby plants are transferred into the field. So the right option is all of these. Next question is, agricultural chemicals are those which enhance crop yield, protects crops, regulate growth, and all of these. So agricultural chemicals are the chemicals that enhance crop yield, that we use to protect the crops, and they also regulate the growth. So the correct option is all of these. Now the third question is, which of the following statement is not true for organic manure? Organic manure, you know that the nutrients that we make from the organic waste, this is called organic manure. And what are the statements which are not true? So the first statement is, it enhances water holding capacity of soil. Yes, the organic manure, they enhances water holding capacity. It has a balance of all plant nutrients. It provides humus to the soil. It improves texture of the soil. So it provides humus to the soil. This is also true. It improves the texture of the soil. This is also true. But this option, it has a balance of all plant nutrients, this is not true, because the organic manure does not contain all the nutrients required by the plant. So the correct option is option B. Now the next question is, the term used for the process of separation of grains from chaff is. As you know, after the harvesting, we separate the grains from the chaff, and this process is known as winnowing. Okay, this process is known as winnowing. So the correct option is winnowing. Now the next is, read the statements given below. What are the statements? Statements are here. Seeds require moisture for germination. Plants can absorb nutrients mostly in dissolved form. Irrigation protects crops from both frost and hot air currents. Irrigation improves soil texture. Now choose the combination of statements which indicate the need to irrigate crops. So what are the statements are indicating the need of irrigation to the crop? So the seeds require moisture for germination. Yes, this is true. Plants can absorb nutrients mostly in dissolved form. This is also very true. And irrigation protects crops from both frost and hot air current. This is also very true. This indicates the need of irrigation. And the fourth statement, that is irrigation improves soil texture. This is not right in response to the irrigation need. So the options, the combination of first, second, and three statement would be correct. This option would be correct. Now the next question is, which of the following tools would a farmer use to remove weed from the field? So what is weed? What is weed? What is weed? Weed are the unwanted plants that grow in our crops, with our cultivated crops, and they compete with our cultivated crops, so that it is necessary to eradicate the weeds from the field. So what kind of tool that we use to eradicate and remove the weed from the field? Hoe, plug, axe, or cultivator. So we use hue to eradicate or remove the weed from the field. So this is the correct answer. Now seventh one is, which of the following is not true for fertilizer? They increase the yield. Their excessive use disturb the balance of nutrients in the soil, and they are generally used in a small quantity, and they are environment friendly. So which statement is not true for the fertilizer? So as you know, the fertilizers are not environment friendly. They are not environment friendly. Their excessive use cause the harm, cause the pollution and harm to our environment. So this is the correct answer, option D. Question number 8 is, given below are statements about the harmful effect of weeds on crops, plants. They interfere in harvesting, they help crop plants to grow healthy, they compete with crops, plants for water, nutrient, space and light, and they affect plant growth. Now you have to choose the correct combination of statements. Which statements are how many statements are correct in the context of harmful effect of weeds on crop plants? So yes, they interfere in harvesting. As you know, the weeds interfere in the harvesting, and they compete with crop plants for water, nutrient, space and light, and they affect the plant growth. So option 1, first, third and fourth is right. First, third and fourth. So this option A will be correct. Now the next question is, the system of irrigation wherein water is supplied drop by drop near the roots of plant is called. So as you know, there is a type of irrigation in which we give the water drop by drop near the root of the plant, and that irrigation method is called as drip system. That is known as drip system. So the correct option is B, drip system. Now we will solve the fill in the blanks. So the first statement is, dash is used to level the field. So as you know, after plugging, the chunks of soil are found in the field, and we level it, we crush it, and we make the level of the field even. So what tool we use to level the field? So that is called leveler. The tool that we use to level the field, that is called leveler. Now the next question is, Kharif crops are sown in dash season and harvested around the month of. So the Kharif crops are the crops that we grow in the season of rain. So it will be rainy season. Okay, rainy season. And harvested around the month of October. So the statement is, Kharif crops are sown in rainy season and harvested around the month of October. Now the next question is, Rabi crops are sown in dash season and harvested around the month of. So the Rabi crops are the crops that we grow in the winter season. In the winter season, and we harvest this crop in the month of April. Now the next question is, fertilizers are dash compounds containing nutrients. So the fertilizers are chemical compounds. As you know, the fertilizers are the chemical that we use to enhance the fertility of the soil. Next question, number 5. Dash is a place where milk and milk products are sold. So the word would be dairy. Dairy is a place where milk and milk products are sold. Now write true or false, rewrite the false statements correctly. Different crops are irrigated at different intervals. Yes, all the crops need different amount of water at different timing. So this is true. Now the next is it is better to use fertilizer than organic manure. So as you know, the fertilizers are the chemical compounds. They cause harm. They are not the eco-friendly, environment friendly. So it is better to use organic manure than the fertilizer. So this statement is false, and you will write it is better to use organic manure than fertilizer. Okay, next question is the same crop should be grown on the same piece of land year after year. So if we grow the same crop on the same piece of land year after year, then it will cause the lackness of nutrients in the field. It will cause the harm to the soil. So this statement is not true. This is false. We should not grow the same crop on the same piece of land year after year. Now the next statement is water logging is good for plants. Water logging is not good for plants. So this is false. When the water accumulates around the plant, that is called water logging. Now the fifth statement is the threshing is done for vegetable as well as fruit. So as you know, the threshing is not done for vegetable as well as for fruit. This is done for the cereal plants. So this statement is false. Now the next type of question is match the agricultural implements given in column A with their use given in column B. So the sickle we use for harvesting. You know that for manual harvesting we use the sickle. So we will match the sickle to the harvesting, and then hoe can be used for plugging, and seed drill is used for sowing. You know that this is a machine used for sowing, and a sprinkler is a method that is a tool that we use to irrigate the field. So this is the match. So this is all for this video. In the next video we will solve some more question, and till then, thank you.